Okay, wait, it's working.
Nails are disgusting.
There's a line, but it's okay. We can wait. We have nothing better to do. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the vlogs. Just another day in quarantine. I hit the 4-week mark today. I have a lot going on today. I'm in some black baggy clothes because I just self-tanned. I did my entire self-care routine today because I was feeling a little pale. I put some lashes on. So I got the Bondi Sands Aero. This is a new formula and I got it in ultra dark, of course. I think I like this one better than the original formula. This is only my second time using it. I just put this on like an hour ago, chilled in my robe. And then I also got the new mitt, and then I've been raving about this, which I've shown in previous vlogs. Oil breaks me out, so I got the tanning water, and so far I love it. I'm gonna make a Whole Foods run today. I'm excited. I haven't gone to Whole Foods in so long, since I left school, because I live in Bumblefuck. I'm gonna drive like an hour away to go to Whole Foods. There are like specific things that I need. Everything near me is sold out. There's absolutely no food in the stores, so I'll do a Whole Foods haul for you guys. But before we go, I'm gonna do something that I've been putting off. Obviously you could tell from the title of this vlog that I'll be trying to take off my acrylic nails. I showed this in my last vlog that I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna take these bad boys off. They've been on for 5 weeks. I need to take my hair out. It was bothering me. I guess we should just send it. We're gonna phone someone because she's like kind of wise, so I feel like she would steer me in the right direction. Hey bitch.
Hey bitch.
I need help.
Really? What's up?
You're on camera. Say hello.
Oh, is this being filmed?
Yeah.
Did you put like acetone on it or anything?
No, they're acrylic.
I know, but I'm watching a how to remove acrylics video.
I don't fucking know. They're not coming off. Okay, they're coming off better now, actually. I lied. Isn't this so interesting?
So interesting. This would be such a good video.
Listen, the people wanted to see it.
Are you using the right, like,
Yeah, I looked that up too. Okay, wait, it's working.
Your nails are disgusting.
Shut up.
Are you gonna soak them next?
I don't know.
This girl soaks them. I think you need acetone to soak it.
I got it.
You need to soak it. I heard that they get really hot. Like, you can burn yourself.
Oh yeah, I've gotten my nails burned plenty of times.
Yeah, this girl soaked them and then baked them and everything.
Okay, so I think I'm just gonna continue to just like drill the polish off, leave them, and revisit this after my Whole Foods trip.
I hope that you find acetone.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna find acetone at Whole Foods. Ow.
I don't want to watch this.
I know, right? Dude, there's no way I can do all of this now. Like, I don't have the patience for this.
Corona does not pass the vibe check.
Ow! Do you want to say hello?
Not really. It's not in this state.
So Carly and I are still on FaceTime. She watched me do this entire thing.
It's horrible.
It was really hard to watch. Sorry about my self-tanner. It looks pretty ratchet right now. I've almost got them all off. I think I'm gonna revisit this after I go to Whole Foods, so we'll see. Oh, this video isn't actually that much of a fail. I just need to finish them. They didn't turn out horrible. You can't really tell, but I've gotten most of them off. I didn't realize like how late it was. It's like 1 o'clock now and I wanted to leave to go to the grocery store at 12 because I have literally no food to eat. So I'm gonna go to Whole Foods now. I probably won't be back till like 4-ish. Obviously gonna be wearing a mask and gloves, and I will not be taking my vlog camera into the store. Ready to go. There's a line, but it's okay. We can wait. We have nothing better to do. Hello guys. I'm back. Oh my god, that feels so good to take that off. It's like absolutely crazy. Like where I live, they're not monitoring it as good as this Whole Foods is, and I'm at the Whole Foods in Spring Lake, and let me tell you, like they're doing a really good job at social distancing, sanitizing the carts. Like I waited online only for like 5 minutes to get in the store because they're only letting like a certain amount of people in there. I'm gonna sanitize my phone. I'm like such a germaphobe to begin with, so this whole thing is like, it's like crazy, and like the people that aren't wearing masks or gloves or anything absolutely blows my mind. I got everything I needed, which is amazing because all of the supermarkets near me have absolutely no food. And they had Catalina Crunch, which I was like so excited about, but I'm like pretty hungry. I'm gonna sanitize my hands one more time before I eat this because I'm a crazy person. Just like make sure that you're thanking the workers in there extra and, you know, tell them to stay safe, stay healthy, you know what I mean? A little bit of kindness goes a really long way, especially in a global pandemic when people are still forced to work. And if any of you guys are still working, thank you. I needed some Smart Sweets so bad. I think I'm gonna get some coffee now. Specifically, Rook. I haven't had Rook in a freaking hot minute, so I'm pretty sure they're doing curbside pickup. We're gonna call them actually. Oh no, they're closed! Wait, their headquarters might be open. I don't feel like driving the extra 15 minutes though. Wait, that's so sad. Oh my god. So, I guess I'll just go home now. I'm pretty hungry. Sorry if this vlog is boring. I will see you guys when I get home. I'm home now. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Obviously, there's a huge fly right there. Wow. I got 2 bags of Catalina in the dark chocolate flavor. I got some French vanilla nut pods. I love this stuff. I got some ginger root because the smoothies that I've been making lately, I've been putting a lot of ginger in there. It's a really good immunity booster and I love the taste of ginger now. I also got 2 bags of frozen mango chunks, some grape tomatoes. I've been loving putting this in my egg scrambles every morning. I got cucumbers also for my smoothies. I got some lemons to make my lemon bread because I haven't had any in like a week or so. I don't know, but it's so good. Baby spinach. So I got some more spinach just because I've been flying through it and I wanted to keep a bunch around the house so I don't have to go back out. I got some Violet mozzarella shreds. You guys know I love this cheese. It's the best. It's the most identical mozzarella I've gotten. That's a vegan alternative. They only had 2 Smart Sweets left, so I grabbed the last 2 in the store. In the car, I ate the sour one, and these are the fruity ones. I hate the gummy bears, but I really wanted Smart Sweets, so I just got them. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try these. I have tried the dark chocolate flavor, and I didn't really love them. I heard the cinnamon ones are really good and people have been putting them on their smoothies, so I want to try them out. The ingredients are cassava root, navy beans, cinnamon, sunflower oil, pea protein, and water. Also they only had 1 gluten-free bread left in the store and it was the Udi's Ancient Grain Omega Flax and Fiber bread, so I picked up this. Sounds good. So I also got some, I'm doing a grocery haul.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I interrupt?
Yes. I got some Lily's semi-sweet baking style chips. They are in or out. I love the Lily's brand because they're stevia sweetened, so there's no added sugar and the ingredients are really clean. Oh, wow. It says contains milk. It's weird. I also got thin stackers. I've not had these in so long. This is the red rice and quinoa flavor. I love this with some vegan butter, cinnamon, and a little sprinkle of stevia and bananas. It's such a good snack. Like, don't just until you try it. It's phenomenal. And then lastly, I got 2 things of coconut water for my smoothies, which I'm gonna make now because I'm so freaking hungry. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Just made my super green smoothie with some cacao nibs and cinnamon. Oh my god, my nails look so ratchet. Anyway, this is a better look at them. I'm gonna attempt them again, but I have a list of assignments that need to get done. I have a research paper due on Sunday, and I have like a bunch of other things that I kind of want to like get out of the way, and then we're gonna focus on these disgusting nails. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later now, as I'm sure you could tell by the lighting. I usually don't like to vlog later in the day because of lighting reasons, because I'm just a freak about having good lighting. I just got out of the shower. I'm just gonna do some nightly skincare. Okay, so I've never tried this serum. It's the Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion PM serum. I've always been really afraid to try it because serums usually break me out, but I don't know how oily this one is. I'm just gonna do a couple drops and I don't know, I'm like terrified, honestly. I really need a jade roll my face because I'm looking a little puffy. As for my nails, I said I was gonna revisit this stuff later, but I'm honestly not in the mood and I just don't feel like going through what I went through before since it took me like 2 hours. I will definitely do it in my next vlog. I think I'm just gonna leave them like pretty much filed down, but I just don't feel like it tonight. I pulled out my back really badly yesterday because I don't think I mentioned this earlier, and I was on a heating pad and ice like all day. It's like what I was doing for like the past last 3 hours actually. I have never pulled out my back this bad ever. I'm just really not feeling too great right now, and it like just hurts to sit up. Truly, it's just not it, guys. Not tonight. Going in with my oil-free moisturizer. I love this stuff. I also want to give myself a lymphatic drainage massage at some point during this quarantine. I swear to God, this Lashes MD has helped my lashes grow so much. And then I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Regenerate Lift Multi-Action Eye Lifting Cream. Also, I've been using Vaseline because Lala Kent swears by it. I've been using Vaseline in the morning and then this in the evening because I'm actually terrified of aging. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys are not already. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.